Welcome to ADC once again. My name is Ugochi Nweze. I'm the lead program manager for the Windows Developer and Experiences team. We're also called WDX for short, and we're also called the Windows team. I'm going to do some accessibility introductions just so you're not wondering. I'm a dark-skinned African lady. I'm dressed in an African dress, native dress with African prints. And I'm thrilled to be talking to you today about our team, the Windows team. Over 1.4 billion people use Windows today. In other words, that's 1 out of every 5 people in the world today use Windows. It makes me cast my mind back to the first time I used a PC. It was a Windows PC. It was my father's PC in his study, and I'll go in there and play games, play solitaire on it. I think it's something many people can relate to, maybe not the solitaire part. So Windows has been around for over 35 years. From 1985, when it was first developed as the GUI operating system for IBM-compatible PCs, up till now. And in all of that time, Windows has remained refreshed and reinvented. And I'll tell you why Windows remains relevant. Windows is the operating system for work and productivity, right? From our support for Microsoft 365 suite of apps, to our support for applications like Viva Insights on Outlook, that basically allows you to manage your time and productivity, to our support for applications like DaVinci Resolve, that creatives use for video editing. We basically design keeping in mind that we want to empower the productive you. Windows supports education as well, right? We have Microsoft 365 Suite for Education, and we also have Windows Student Edition, which basically ensures that we're able to provide optimized performance, even on low-cost devices, so that students from whichever background can achieve more. And this one goes without saying, Windows is the operating system for gaming. Our Windows 11 users have access to numerous titles on Game Pass, and we continue to be the #1 supporter of hardware gaming vendors like NVIDIA and AMD. And by the way, our Xbox runs on an optimized version of Windows. Windows is great for developers. We're still the largest ecosystem of applications and developers that target PC users. And Windows developers have access to applications like Visual Studio, VS Code, which are open source, which they can leverage to build amazing applications, which then add to the rich Windows legacy. So here in ADC, the Windows team is made up of 27 heroes, but we're also a global team, right? Which means that the Windows team is not only in ADC, but also in other geolocations. So we have a Windows team in Redmond, that is in the US, in Tokyo, Japan, and in Hyderabad, India. The ADC WDX team is also a diverse team. We have team members from different parts of Nigeria, and we're looking towards regional diversity as well. So the WDX team in ADC is made up of 2 sub-teams. The Devices and Shell Experiences team, also called DASH, which focuses on the GUI. And the team does this basically by building best-in-class input experiences, rejuvenating our visuals. The team is also tasked with maintaining our rich and engaged Windows Insider program. While the second sub-team is Windows Quality Experiences, also called WQX. And like the name says, they focus on quality, ensuring and maintaining quality in new releases of Windows. And they do this by building engineering solutions that raise customer confidence in Windows and building processes that close systemic gaps. And together, these 2 teams contribute the ADC contribution to Windows. We're very interested in having a positive impact on the technology ecosystem where we find ourselves. And we do this by reaching out, looking out for talents and supporting these talents in whatever they need and whatever we can provide. And we do this mainly through knowledge sharing sessions, trainings, and mentorship, so that these talents can continue to do amazing stuff wherever they are. In addition to that, we're very interested in collaborating with our industry partners. One way that we do this is through our Windows Insider program. So a good way to collaborate with us, if you're not already doing that, is by being a part of the Windows Insider program. which basically means that you're signed up to pre-releases of Windows and you're able to provide your feedback and insights. So Microsoft and Africa is a two-way street, right? Microsoft is good for Africa, but Africa is good for Microsoft. Thank you.